Hello everyone, this training video will show you how to install the Incident IQ app on your iOS device. So first, let's go to the App Store. Okay, we're going to look for Incident IQ. It should be labeled under Education. Click Download. Okay, once it's finished, click Open. Okay, we're going to check for updates first. Okay, all done. So we're going to enter our district address, which will be Puck Schools. Now when we continue, we're going to get an error. Just click twice to exit out. Okay. Enter Puck Schools again. Continue. Select District Login. Okay. Log in with your full Puck Schools login credentials. Click Open. Okay, you'll be on your dashboard. Click on the icon here, and you can see the Submit Ticket, View Tickets, Profile, Settings for Incident IQ. When you click Submit Ticket, you'll see other requests, and you'll see all the other categories for the departments to submit tickets to. And that's it. That's how you install Incident IQ for iOS. Please let us know what do you think. Thank you.